Okay. Next point is conservation of mechanical energy. Conservation of mechanical energy. You must have read about this topic in class 9th. Okay. See, what is this? Conservation means initial and final values are same. Conservation. Okay. And mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is nothing but sum of kinetic energy plus potential energy. This is equal to mechanical energy. Okay. So mechanical energy initial equal to mechanical energy final. Kinetic mechanical energy is written as initial kinetic energy, initial potential energy, kinetic energy final, potential energy final. This is conservation of mechanical energy. Okay. If so, you can easily judge. If suppose kinetic energy initial is 300 joules, potential energy initial is 400 joules, potential energy final is 100 joules. What is kinetic energy final? 700. This side 100. So this must be 600 joule. Okay. Sum of kinetic and potential is constant. Sum of kinetic energy plus potential energy is constant. It doesn't change. So if it decreases, it must increase. If kinetic energy decreases, potential energy must increase. And if it increases, it must decrease. So that sum is constant. Okay. Means you can say in another word also, loss in kinetic energy equal to gain in potential energy, or gain in kinetic energy equal to loss in potential energy. Okay. And I am explaining this with a simple example. See, all of you know this point also. From ground level, if a ball is at height h, its potential energy is mgh. All of this. Okay. So if height increases, potential energy increases. If height decreases, potential energy decreases. Okay. So I'm taking a question. A ball of mass m thrown up with speed u. You have to find out at what height it will come to rest. You have to find out h, where it will come to rest, or maximum height it will rise. Okay. And I have to solve this problem using conservation of mechanical energy. Using this. Okay. So, when a ball rises up, when height increases, potential energy increases. So, during this process, potential energy increases, kinetic energy decreases. Okay. So, loss in kinetic energy equal to gain in potential energy. You write it down. What is loss? Initial value is kinetic energy initial is half mu square. This is initial kinetic energy. And final kinetic energy is 0. So what is loss? Initially you have 100 rupees. Now you have 0 rupees. What is loss? 100. That is the point. Initial this, final this. Loss in kinetic energy equal to half mu square. And what is gain in potential energy? Since it has rises up to the height h, when a ball is rises up to height h, its potential energy is mgh. Here I will write mgh. So h will come out u square by 2. Okay, this is the answer. Now you can try one question. Find speed at half of maximum height. When it is at half of maximum height, here, what is the speed? You can try this question using conservation of mechanical